Okay, so you're here with Mary and Elaine, the Quantum Connectors, and we're here to deliver some deep quantum healing for ourselves and for our loved ones around us. And yeah, we're going to get started. Elaine, did you have anything you wanted to say?
Yeah, we're gonna go in the quantum field and like as a seer. So Mary's gonna ask the questions and I'm gonna answer, but I'm gonna answer with my higher self, and then the person that's asking the question, so that would the person I guess would be the client. Their question is also going to be answered by their higher self, but I'm going to be the receiver.
Wonderful.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to get started with just a couple of breaths together. So Elaine, whenever you're ready, I will invite you just to close your eyes down and you um, be coming into your hypnosis state. Yeah, so let's just land in the space with three nice, deep, clearing breaths. So we're going to inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth, sigh it out. And again, deep inhale in, exhale, sigh it out. One final one, deep inhale in, and exhale, sigh it out. Let's just take a moment to land in the space this evening. Become aware of the space in front of you, behind you, and far beneath you. So just coming into the body and just connecting the body into the space. And each breath just sending waves of calming energy down through the body, letting the cares of the day just fade away. Just following my voice as we gather here now in this safe and sacred space. I ask that only the highest and most divine, original source energy expressions and beings be allowed to participate. I invite Elaine's guides, angels, cosmic and soul family, Elaine's higher self, and Elaine from the future as an ascended master to join us today. Also, I invite my guides, angels, cosmic and soul family, my higher self, and myself from the future as an ascended master to assist and participate in our journey of the day. We send our gratitude to the ancestors of the land. Thank you, light beings of 100% in service, guides of the land, star beings, ascended masters, dragons of peace, Mother Earth, archangels, higher self angels, the eternal living light of the divine presence, God source, heart of service to the light of unconditional love. We open the field with full protection and alignment to the highest sovereign light. I call upon guides, angels, and divine light beings to walk in co-creation with all the beings, spirits that reside within this house, building, land, or through this internet connection. This transmission is being cleared within and of the energy to bring in the light, to clear the energy, to bring in its highest vibration. And now that we are surrounded by all of our combined team, we ask that our energy amplify our intentions for our session across all realms of multidimensional reality, and we ask for the most benevolent outcome for all.
Yeah, everyone's here. So this is the eternal living light. So we're 100% of service, and Elaine is associated, and so is Merit. So we are going to open all the records. So we will open the tapestry. We're going to open the Temple of Healing in Colors and Lights. And we're also going to open the Akashic Records. We have consent from everybody's higher selves. And you may proceed.
So if we get all this light this week and then we go, we lose it all, or we just lose it while we're there?
Well, no, yeah, that you would kind of become like very magnetic,
Yeah.
and maybe magnetic to energies you don't really want to deal with. Like a
Mm.
moth to the flame, right? So you might be drawing in attention with people you don't want to draw attention with. But once you acclimatize to this golden egg, or we can call it a golden bubble, whatever word resonates, um, um, it's you already have it. We're just enhancing it right now.
Mm.
And that will make you very magnetic because we're wanting all of the stuff you're asking for to come into your life. So we're asking to be magnetic. So no longer chasing, but calling in, calling in.
Mm.
So it's a big shift on earth to do that, you know, to
Mm.
to see yourself as magnetic and calling in what you need and then holding it as though it's already there and not changing your mind.